Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button and ignore the whatever that is till you see your boot options, select power off, and when the device turns off, you're gonna hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now you can let go of the power button when you see the INFINIX logo. And when you see the XOS with no command, let go of the volume up, and then you will need to hold power button, press volume up once, and let go of the power button. And this redirects us to the recovery mode. Now in here you can use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader and enter fastboot. Both of these options will take us to fastboot mode. The only difference is the bootloader option takes you to a fastboot mode with no options, so you just kind of have to hold power button, volume down to forcibly reboot the device to leave it, while this one takes you to a very similar looking menu like this one, but it will be just a fastboot mode. Next we have apply updates from SD card, wipe data, factory reset, on system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So I'm going to jump to the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.